Hello, good morning and welcome to another video. This morning I will be making a small breakfast for myself. In this one I have oats, banana, strawberry, almond, and flaxseed. And my liquid is gonna be milk and yogurt. I just got done watering my friend's plant and I am on my way back home to bake a cake, do my own work for a class I have at 3 o'clock. And I have a lot of reading to do today in Spanish. I hope, let's see, I hope I get everything that I have planned for today finished, but don't worry, I'll take you along with me. Just finished talking to my carpentry teacher, and it's a lot of work already. I have homework. Hey, I am home and I am going to be baking a cake. I'm going to show you all the ingredients I have for this cake and also walk you through the process. As always, everything will be listed in the description box below. Also remember to like, share, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I have for this cake that I'm gonna be baking. We have flour, baking powder, baking soda, pink salt. We have lemon zest, cardamom, butter, sugar, yogurt, rosewater, and glass sugar, pumpkin seed, as well as rose petal. These are all the ingredients that are involved in this cake making process. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the creaming. So the first thing we're gonna do is attach the paddle, and we're gonna add our sugar, butter, cardamom, and lemon zest. And then we are gonna start on low until everything is combined. Like this. So we are gonna mix everything until it's a bit fluffy. This is what we have so far. Let me take you to this is what we have, and we want to have a fluffy texture or consistency. That's what we want to have cheese up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the egg one by one. First egg, and then we're gonna mix. Let me scrape this down. And I'm gonna add another egg. And then I'm gonna put it on medium. another egg, or maybe just put both of them. Now we are gonna go in with our, well, let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go in with the yogurt and rose water. So I'm gonna go in with a dash. Of rose water and yogurt. This. Then we're gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna go in with the dry ingredients. But first, let me mix together this. We have the baking soda and baking powder, and also we had a bit of salt to help enhance the flavor. Then we're gonna add it here. So now I'm gonna go in and add the flour, and when I add the flour, I'm gonna lightly mix. We don't wanna go in hard. So the flour we have is all-purpose flour, coconut flour, and semolina. So yeah, I'm gonna go on slow, and till everything is pretty much cooperated. So until everything is cooperated, and then use a spatula to help the situation a bit by scraping down the side. So as you can see, everything is now incorporated. So I'm gonna go off, and I'm gonna remove the greased pan from the oven. This greased pan, I remove it from the fridge, and pour the batter into this, and we're gonna stick it in the oven. So I'm gonna clean up these things so I can make glaze to go on top of this cake. Yep. Okay, so I have just placed the dough in the oven for 50 minutes. We are at 45 minutes. After that's finished, I'm going to make the syrup. At the moment, I'm just prepping what I need. So I have rose petal, edible rose petal. You can use it to make tea, sugar, I'm gonna squeeze this lime so I can get the lime juice, and we have rose water. So we're gonna mix all this together to make a nice syrup to put on top. So I have lemon and rose water here, and I initially wanted pistachio. I don't have pistachio, so what I'm going to use is pumpkin seed for the top to garnish. You know, use what you have. I'm gonna blend it lightly so we have different bits and size. Ooh, the pumpkin seed smells so good. So this for the garnish, all of this here for the garnish. So while we are waiting for the cake to rise and cool, I'm gonna prepare lunch. While we wait for the cake, I am going to be making pasta with some leftover ground beef and veggies. So let's see how that goes. Cake is almost finished, and we're done. Decorate after we're done. The pasta that I made with some of the leftovers from yesterday. Off, so we're gonna let this cool for about an hour, and then we are gonna prepare the icing. And da-da-da-da-dum. Hey, so I had a little bit of siesta. I had the cake cooling for a bit. I just removed it from the oven, so now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the icing. I have the things already a bit pre-prepared, so I'm gonna go into making that, and let's see how this cake turns out. Add some more lemon juice. It's a bit thick, so yeah, a little bit of lemon juice. Not too thick, not too thin. Not too thick, not too thin. So this part we have to do fast. So I'm gonna bring all the things I need a bit closer. So and then we go in back with more pumpkin seed and rose petal, and then we let it dry. So this is what it looks like. It has been a wonderful day, and I'm gonna end the day by saying stay positive, think of possibilities, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful night wherever you are in the world. Bye.